Hi, my YouTube friends. I have made a video for you. I hope you will like it. In this video, I will show you very beautiful Crochet grapes bunch which are made of different colors. You can decorate these beautiful grapes bunch in your kitchen, in your dining hall very beautifully. I tried to bring good and unique video for all my friends, and all my friends who work crochet can benefit from my videos. I request my friends that if any want to see any work of video, want to share it my YouTube channel, and please tell me now in the comments. I will try to make another videos accordingly. I want my friends on YouTube to watch video according to their wish, so they have to tell me in the comments what kind of videos they want to see. I give ideas to my friends on my channel who work in crochet and do business in crochet. If these ideas of mine benefits my friends, then it is a matter of happiness for me. May all my friends be happy, I pray. Bye friends, take care.